Well, I was hoping to catch you guys in the morning, but it's 8 after 12. So last night I was digging through some of my old keys. I actually found a key fob that I haven't programmed. So today I'm going to try and see if I can program that to the Corvette. Hopefully it works. Because right now the Corvette doesn't have a key fob, just the key to start the car. Looks like it's still on the charger, so the battery should be good. The steps. Move the keyless remote out of range 10 to 15 feet. Turn the ignition key to the on position. Push the trip odometer button on the DIC twice. Within 5 seconds, push and hold the fuel info button on the DIC until the PKE light comes on and stays on. Alright, so key on, trip twice, and hold the fuel info button. Okay. 1, 2, fuel info. Passive keyless entry. Okay. Turn the ignition to the off position, but leave the key in the ignition. It'll begin flashing. Okay, it's flashing. Bring the keyless remote into range, and it'll stop flashing and stay on to show that the code is stored. After doing a quick search, it looks like this one won't work. It's a little bit different of a key fob, and a replacement one's like 150 bucks. So we'll just not lock the car, because I live in a town where you don't have to lock your cars. Well, I was going to try and hook the exhaust up today. The exhaust isn't hooked up to the headers. But we have a small problem. Can't get the can't get the ramp underneath it. So maybe another day. I'm just failing on all the projects I wanted to do today. And I definitely can't do the rear main seal in my driveway. Alright, now it's time for something that I've been meaning to fix for a long time. This right here. Did you catch that? Me punching myself in the face. There we go. That repair is done. Okay, so I figured out what my New Year's resolution is going to be. It's going to be putting my tools away after I'm done using them. Even if I'm going to need it later, I still need to put it away. There's still a little bit of sunlight left, so the next thing I'm going to do is going to be trying to pull the electronics out of this vending machine so that I can maybe get another one working. I'm going to try and pull the electronics out and see if we can get it working. Okay, it's a little dark, but we've got the snack machine running. If we do D5, I know it says E5, but okay, so it's working as a regular snack machine. Credit card machine's working. Realistically, this could go anywhere, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell it because I got the cooling out right here. This is all the cooling from it. And it doesn't need the cooling to work, it just needs the cooling to cool. So if it's inside a climate-controlled building, if they don't mind candy bars that are room temperature and snacks that are room temperature and no drinks, then this is a perfect machine for that. I do need to reassemble it. It's kind of taken apart right now, and then it'll be ready to go. But I'm not going to do that tonight. I am going to do it tomorrow though. I think I'll leave the door, yeah, it's not going to rain. I think I'll leave the door open. That way everything's just here and ready to go. That way I don't have to put a bunch of shit away. Even though I just said I was going to like not keep a bunch of stuff out. But I know I'm going to work on this tomorrow, and it's going to be noonish when I work on it. All I have to do is put it back together. It's not that big of a deal. Oh man. Well, I just took a little break. I got my pliers that I got warrantied. I'm going to put those in the plier drawer. I wish that vending machine wasn't so heavy. I would bring it in here and fix it in here, but it's too cold out there and the vending machine doesn't fit in here. There's actually one thing that I wanted to do tonight. I wanted to get all this stuff and put it like kind of over there and get the motorcycle over to that corner right there. Alright, now I've got everything moved. That's much better. I've got the motorcycle in here. I've got all the space that I can work and do things. I'm still going to adjust that. I'm going to move those over a little bit. That way I have a little more room right here for my batteries. I think it's just about bedtime, so I'm going to finish this up, go to sleep. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.